Super Simple Social Share Icons is a lightweight WordPress plugin from Vaultblocks designed to help you easily add social sharing icons to all of your WordPress posts. Simply search for the plugin from the WordPress repository or download the zip file from vaultblocks.com. Once installed and activated, go to the settings page and select which icons you'd like to display from Facebook, X, LinkedIn, Pinterest, WhatsApp, and Blue Sky. Next, go to the Appearance tab and use the preview box to look at the changes that you're making. You can choose the different icon styles from brand colors to dark theme, light theme, and custom colors. Next, choose the icon shape, the icon size, and the icon spacing. In the Position tab, you can select whether you want the icons to display above the content, below the content, both above and below, or using shortcode. Select an alignment from left, center, or right. Finally, in the Text tab, you can choose to change the text that displays alongside it, the text position, the text style, the text weight, and the text size. Click Save Changes and go to any of your blog posts to see how it looks.